Boracay. Hanapin ko yung gate ko. Hanapin natin yung aking gate. Let's see, 2060. Right. And we are here sa Katiklan Island. Ayan, the flight was fast. It only took us 40 to 45 minutes. And it's a gloomy day. And it's a bit windy too. So ayan, you can hear, diba? And ito, here in the open area side, we are going to pick up our luggages, I think. So yeah, let's wait here. And then the next step is I need to take a van and boat. I believe it's 15-minute ride. Tapos, ayan, 150 pesos yung nakikita ko, but I think there are other fees. Dito po ba ito? Dito po ba ito?
Apo. Apo.
Okay.
Wala po.
Ay, sige, salamat. Thank you. Ayan. So, here are the other fees. Merong terminal fee and environmental fee. Plus, guys, you have to bring a copy, printed copy ng, kasi yung Boracay, they now require proof of accommodation and bookings, hotel bookings. So, they will ask you for that before you enter the island. So, make sure na meron kayo nun. Hi for environmental and what else?
Apat po.
Meron na po, ito. I just made it here in my hotel. Ay, pwede na mag-check-in. Okay.
Kung may available na pang kwarto.
Okay. Dito. Thank you.
So you will be staying with us for 2 nights, ma'am. I need deposit lang, incidental deposit, 4,000 pesos. If you will pay cash po, we will return to you upon check-out po. But if you will pay credit card naman po, ma'am, that one is automatic cancel when you check out. But that one po, 15 days po siya na-return sa card.
Okay.
That one po is a banking fee. So,
I'll just pay cash. Paano pag nakalimutan ko siya?
Yes, talaga siya. Pero upon check-out naman, ma'am, binabalik na. I received 4,000 pesos. If ever na mag-order tayo ng food sa room service, ma'am, and then in our restaurant, you can do room charge po. And then for your payment naman, ma'am, you can use your deposit naman.
Oh, okay, that's good. But it's a drinks
Yes.
sa bar. Okay, perfect. That's good. I don't need to worry.
If you want, ma'am, you can standby sa lobby bar namin, and then you can get welcome drinks po.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's good. So this one po, ma'am.
Para sa luggage to?
For welcome drinks po yan siya, ma'am,
Oh.
over there po.
So they gave me a voucher for free drink while waiting on my room. So let's go get something to drink. I don't know which one is it. Here. House blend lang. Isa.
And lemongrass po.
I get two?
Dalawa po yung start namin.
Oh, I can only drink one. Sige, house blend lang.
House blend.
Yes. I didn't know. Can I use it later though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. 15 more minutes and I'm ready to check. Ayan yung mga coffee. Okay.
Tapos ang refrigerator.
Wala naman naman.
May gusto lang po kayo palamigin. Tapos magpapalinis po kayo ng kwarto mo just dahil sa ganun. Tapos kung may kailangan kayo na gusto mo kumain o magpa-room service, just dial 6 na lang po.
Okay, so okay na ba yan?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Bye. I love the bathroom. Oh my gosh. I just got here in my room and luckily they upgraded my room from deluxe. I booked deluxe originally and then upgraded to premium. So let's do a room tour. So ito siya. Ito yung bathroom niya. So here they provide soap. I like this. This is so cute. Oh, it's real. Nice. I hope you don't mind my nails. Okay. And so they provide cotton buds, shower cup, shaving kit. Oh, I need that. Dental kit, lotion. Alright. And relaxing bath foam. Oh, they even have a bath foam. How cool is that? So I don't think this will be enough for this tub. Here they are. They have this dispenser, shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I need to take a shower, guys, because I feel sticky. And yeah, I like this window. Alright. Ayan, bathrobe. Then may umbrella din. Tapos sabi niya, dito daw yung mga slippers. Oh, he already took it out. I got 2 slippers. And here's the bed. Ayan, extra bed ako. Nandito yung fridge. Wala naman lang, so I'm not gonna open it. And then, oops! Yan. Plates and for the coffee cups. Small table right next to the bed. Yan. And I have a balcony here with the view. Sana wag masyadong maingay. Couldn't hear them. I want to close it all the way because I don't want to get locked outside. It happened before. So yan. Ito yung view sa labas. Sarap mag-swim. Meron silang parang ano yan, bar sa pool. Para siyang floating bar. Then I can order food and drinks. That is so cool. And the jacuzzi is in the middle. Wow. I'm gonna go there later. Sana warm yung water tonight. And there's another small pool there. I'm guessing that's for the kids. This is a huge resort. They showed me the map. So let's explore it later. Ayan, balik na tayo sa loob. I wanna take a shower. So I have to close this para hindi ako makita, di ba? So, sarado natin ganyan. So they can see me when I take a bath or shower. Okay, the room is really nice. Dito ako mamaya. Sana walang multo. So yeah, I just finished shower and now I feel more clean and fresh. So yeah, I'm here by myself. It feels weird. I haven't told you guys that I'm supposed to come here with my sister, but she's having a medical issue, so her doctor didn't let her to travel. That is why we had to cancel her flight. And most of my family right now are still working. They will not have their holiday vacation until the 15th. So I don't know what else to do. So I just wanted to go somewhere and relax. Because I don't want to be stuck in the house. That's the main thing. And so yeah, I'm here in Boracay. And this is my first day. And my plan for this trip is I will not gonna do any water activities because I've done it 100 times. I used to come here a lot when I was in college, This is where I go to party. So this is used to be a party beach, guys. Some of you know that. And now it's different. It changed a lot. And so yeah, I've done a lot of things here, a lot of memories, a lot of craziness. So it's good to just go back and reminisce. No, this trip I just want to relax, just maybe stay more in the resort, eat a lot, maybe go to a nice spa. We'll see. Let's find out what this island has to offer. So guys, I hope you join me in my little adventure here in Boracay. Alright.